Hey, what's up? I'm gonna show you how to get started on our size of the sun activity here. Um, really struggled trying to get this into a virtual activity. Normally we would do this by hand. So this is gonna take a little bit of patience because Google Docs is not necessarily the most friendly. My dog just turned the Xbox on. That's pretty crazy. I think he's gonna play Fortnite. We'll find out. Anyways, what we're gonna do, just you can take a look here. The directions are there, and then you're going to see there's a picture of the sun from every month. Okay. What we're going to do is measure the diameter of the sun as precisely as we possibly can, and then record it. That's it. That's size of the sun activity, right? But in order to do this, we have to use a ruler, and here's a ruler. And what you're going to do is just click and drag it. And so I'm going to click and drag it down here to January. Okay, now, a couple things I want you to notice when it comes to this wonderful, virtual ruler is the 0 is not on the edge of the image, it's right there, right? And so I'm measuring the diameter of the sun. I want to make sure the line that represents the 0 is right on the edge. Okay, so the line for 0 is right there. All right, now we're going to read the number over here, but it's pretty small. So one thing that you can do is you can increase the size of the entire Google page. Do not increase the size of the ruler. Keep the ruler the size it was when you first opened this document, right? If you mess with the size of the ruler, then all your recordings from then on out are going to be off. Okay? So what you can do in order to increase the size so you can read this better, you go, if you're on Google Docs here, you just go up to those little 3 lines, right? And I hit zoom. So I mega zoomed it, okay? And now my face is huge. I'm sorry, everybody. All right, and so now that I've zoomed it, I can get in real close and see that the measurement appears to be 10. This is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. That's 0.5. It looks to me like it's almost up to 0.6, but not quite. So I'm going to say this is 10, 0.5, and then I'm going to estimate the second decimal place. I'm going to say about 8. So I'm going to write 10.58. Okay, so I'm going to reduce the zoomage. All right. And then I'm going to go down here to my little data box right here, January. I'm going to say 10.58. Okay. No units, no words, just the numbers is all you need to record. Okay. And then you do that for all 12 months, folks. That is it. That is the size of the sun activity. When you are done with all 12 months, you will click on this right here. It's just a Google form. The Google form is just a place for me to organize the entire class data. So you're going to enter the numbers that you just recorded into the Google form. So I have it all in one place. Okay. We'll talk about that later. All right.